Here's how you can create a green screen using Canva. Let's get into it. First things first is you're going to head over to Canva and pick a blank page. Then you're going to create a text or a logo, whatever you choose. For this demonstration, we're going to create a text, and I'm just going to type in create a green screen background on Canva. And now I am just designing the text, aka changing up the font. Once you've decided on the font, you're then going to change the background. Now this is the most important part in creating the green screen effect. You're just going to go on the background, change the color to green. I normally do like this light green. I don't know, it just works for me. I haven't done like a dark or weird green. Once you've done that, you're going to add any elements you want. I just added music notes to, kind of fill in the blank spaces. And then I'm also going to add a camera because we're talking about editing. You're then going to download it and then go to CapCut. Once you get to CapCut, you're then going to pick your main video, and then over that, you're going to add your overlay. You're then going to click cut out and click Chrome key. Once you've clicked Chrome key, you're going to remove the green background and you'll be left with the design you made on Canva. Definitely a trick worth having in your back pocket in case you ever want to do logos or text over videos or designs in the future. Let me know what else you'd like to learn.